Imagine lying in bed. The room is quiet, your body is heavy, your eyes closing, but your mind still buzzes with problems, to-do lists, worries. Yet beneath the surface, another part of you is awakening, a night mind, a silent laboratory operating while the conscious mind rests. Picture it, a vast, quiet space where your subconscious assembles puzzles, experiments with solutions, and rewrites old patterns. You don't need to force it. You don't need to struggle. It is already working, silently, obediently, intelligently. The power of the night mind. During sleep, the conscious mind relaxes, and the subconscious takes the lead. This is when your mind processes problems effortlessly, integrates new lessons, heals emotional wounds, programs new behaviors and habits. And here's the key. The night mind doesn't judge. It doesn't doubt. It doesn't worry. It simply obeys the instructions you give before sleep. Guided NLP Night Programming. Let's prepare your night mind now. 1. Set the intention. Before sleep, decide clearly. Tonight, my mind will solve problem and reinforce desired outcome. 2. Create the mental movie picture, the solution as a living scene, a glowing image of yourself achieving it. See it clearly, feel it fully. Imagine the sights, sounds, textures, and emotions as though it is happening now. 3. Anchor the feeling. Press your thumb and finger together as you feel the victory, the peace, the confidence. Anchor it into your body so your night mind will recognize it. 4. Release to the subconscious. Let go of control. Imagine placing the mental movie on a conveyor belt, sliding it into the subconscious laboratory. Trust the process. The night mind will refine, test, and integrate it while you sleep. And as you lie there, you may notice how the body relaxes, how thoughts float lightly, as though the problems are gently handed over to that deeper intelligence. And isn't it curious that when you surrender, your mind works effortlessly to create solutions that might never have come if you struggled while awake? And as you drift into sleep, you can already feel the shift, the reorganization, the quiet alignment, because your subconscious is preparing to present the answers at just the right time. Practical night mind exercise. 1. Choose one focus. Pick a problem, goal, or habit you want the subconscious to work on. 2. Build the mental movie. Visualize the desired outcome vividly, as though already achieved. Include sensory detail and emotion. 3. Anchor it. Press thumb and finger together or place your hand on your heart while feeling the desired state. 4. Release to sleep. Tell your mind, work on this while I rest. Present the solution when I awaken. 5. Morning reflection. Upon waking, notice ideas, solutions, or insights. Journal them. Repeat nightly. Story example. A man struggled with a work project for weeks. Each night, he rehearsed the problem and imagined success using the mental movie technique. By the third morning, a simple solution arose, fully formed, as if his subconscious had quietly been experimenting all night. The project flowed easily, the stress dissolved, and his confidence skyrocketed. Your night mind is your secret laboratory, a place where healing, insight, and creativity flourish effortlessly, where problems are solved, old programs are rewritten, and your subconscious mind obeys your instructions faithfully. All you need to do is prepare the command, visualize it clearly, anchor it in feeling, and release it with trust. And as you drift into sleep, the solutions are already in motion. Your night mind, the most faithful servant, has taken the helm.